go. Cooking General back in the building. Hey, you know what? I had an interesting question asked to me last week. A person said, man, it's fall, it's October. You know what I'm saying? Get close to Halloween. What is the most scariest story you heard, or scary experience, or scary cooking experience? And I told him that's a good question because I was in Louisiana. And I had a friend named Kevin. We used to always go out in the bayou and we used to play. But there was an old house out there. And this old house, he was always scared to go there. He said, man, this old woman live there, you don't want to go there. But I wanted to go. So one day I went in the bayou by myself. And I went there and knocked on the door. And this woman came out. I ain't lying. She was scary. It's like one of her eyes was white. And one of them was just a regular eye. And she said, come in. I was no more than about 11 or 12. And I kind of went on in. And she told me something that still amazed me today. She said, you're going to be a great cook one day. You're not going to be a chef. You're going to be a general. And I can still remember that there. And she said, what are y'all having for Thanksgiving? I said, my mom's going to make a big dressing and she's going to go buy some chicken broth. She said, no. Make your own chicken broth. And I'm going to tell you how to do it, but you don't tell nobody. If you do, your life will be cursed. I don't believe that. Come on, let me show you how she told me to make this chicken broth. First of all, you're going to use some Creole season. Now, you can use Cajun Creole season, some hot sauce, soy sauce, whiskey and salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. For your vegetables, you're going to need onions, bell pepper, and celery. And she also used chicken feet to make her broth. Man, you talking about a good broth, though. She didn't lie. It was a good broth. But being cursed, man, come on, let me show y'all my fall decorations right quick. Check it out here. Man, look at this here table. Man, I found these plates. I found them in different places. But you can see how the plates match the bowl. And then I like these little wine glasses. Look at the decorations on them. And this here. I was going to go all out. And then you can look at the wall that I got. I hung up little acorns and stuff like this here. Man, and even right here, I got the fall leaves and stuff. Man, it's a pretty nice decoration, you know what I'm saying? I didn't go all out. But man, I'm just still tripping out. Curse Cooking General. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man. Let me show y'all this here chicken broth. Man, it's gonna be a good chicken broth. Might be a little cursed if you believe in that thing. I don't believe that. Come here, let me show you this here. Now, I done washed and cleaned the chicken fish. Get a good look at them. Now see, they've been washed, they've been cleaned. I even declawed them. And you put them in your water. Be careful because you want to bring your water almost to a boil. Now, since I'm not a chef, I'm trying to give you a perspective of what I use. Okay, here's my Worcestershire sauce. Right there. Here's my soy sauce. Right there. Now, here's my Cajun season. Sweep that in there. My black pepper. Sweep that in there. Garlic powder. Sweep that in there. And my salt. There you go. Now, if you're a real man, put your finger in there and get the rest of that off of there. Now, only thing you need now, a couple of dashes of hot sauce. Right there. And you add your celery, your onions, and your bell pepper. And you talking about a good broth. And this broth is going to be used really for my next video. Put the top on it. And there you go. And you let it go. And she told me, she said, you're going to be cursed. When you do this here. If you tell anyone. I told y'all. So if y'all make it, y'all going to be cursed. Cooking General, ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Cooking General back in there. Man, come here, let me show y'all this chicken broth. Man, come here. Check it out. Now, I pulled my chicken feet out. They are tender. And I'm going to freeze these here because I'm actually fry these one day. Now, check it out. Man, you talking about making some good broth. And seeing all the vegetables in there, look at that. That is a good broth. And this broth is going to be used in my upcoming video. And I'll let y'all see that later. But, by the way, I also cooked some homemade macaroni and cheese. That's homemade. Not out of the box, homemade macaroni and cheese. Now these are riblets. Now I got 12 herbs and spices on them now. Fried riblets, and I'll also make some green beans. That's what I made today. But I ain't show y'all drink this because I'm showing you this broth. Man, you talking about gonna be good. And by the way, since I got y'all here already, maybe I didn't even show y'all that. But since I got you here, come on, let me show you the rest of my decorations. Check it out. Now, here on my table, I'll be finding this stuff everywhere. I go to little thrift shops, I find these owls and stuff. I think it's so pretty. I got my little leaves off in there and all that. But come here, I'm gonna show you something real special. Check this out. I love these here. They shiny. These pumpkins here are so shiny. And then these candles are pumpkin scented. Man, they got the pumpkin spice in it. I got my leaves up there. I love doing decorating for the fall. Man, I tell you. Boy. Cooking general, man. Hey, I got a lot of stuff I'm gonna cook. I got a lot of stuff to cook. Now you gotta check out this broth that I'm finna make. I'm finna make a dang good broth. Man. Woo. Well, maybe I should have showed y'all because I feel kind of funny. I feel real funny.